Breathing kitchen air is as bad as smoking, but quitting smoking, easier said than done. Not anymore. With a new range of filterless chimneys for any type of kitchen and design choice, presenting Zenith from the house of Faber, a truly filterless chimney. Gesture control operation offers better control over chimney speed as per cooking process without the need to touch the product. With zero filter, Zenith offers a truly hassle-free ownership experience. Anti-stick walls combined with a metal blower ensures expulsion of all accumulated oil and dirt in the removable stainless steel collector, which needs to be cleaned occasionally. Zenith comes with a powerful 250 watt suction motor. It is available in two sizes. Cutting-edge functionality integrated tastefully in a cutting-edge design for modern, elegant kitchens. Envy-inspiring presence, Zenith, the must-have hood to quit smoking in the kitchen in the most hassle-free way. Make the Zenith choice now and feel the fresh air in your kitchen effortlessly.